Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the visual foundation, wallpaper, theme, and a few apps. How? Open Settings, apply a pastel or navy accent, and set a crisp wallpaper at 1920x 1080 or 1366x 768 so icons align. Why? Consistent color and resolution give that clean, preppy aesthetic without clutter. Once done, install Google Keep for notes, Canva for quick graphics, and a minimalist launcher extension to tidy the shelf. These create the base Now you refine layout and app behavior for a preppy, functional Chromebook. How? Drag related apps into 4 to 5 labeled folders and pin the essentials to the shelf. This reduces visual noise. Change shelf settings to hide notifications, use a 12-hour clock, and enable rounded corners where available. Why? Structured folders and minimal alerts keep the look polished and the workflow focused. Once finished, apply a cohesive icon pack and a crisp UI font from extensions to complete the aesthetic. Finish by adding functional accents that sell the preppy vibe. How? Place a calendar and note widget on the right, adjust wallpaper with a slight brightness boost and a touch less saturation, and pick matching desktop accents like a navy folder color. Why? Small, consistent touches make the setup feel curated rather than accidental. If things go wrong, reset the shelf layout or clear the launcher cache. This restores icon placement without wiping profiles. Make sure to back up any custom icons first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.